Hello trader, maybe you have some doubts and you don't know is it okay to use binary options and trading to start earning money, but I don't think so. If you're not sure, just watch the video and then you'll understand that it's so easy and simple to start earning money with me, because I have so much strategies especially for you. Today we'll deal with you with the main myth about trading. Myth strongly influencing newcomers. You don't allow them to reach their potential and stop someone altogether. Therefore, today I'll debunk the most popular myths. Well, if you know any other statements about trading, write them in comments. I'll answer whether it is true or not. To make a video a little more interesting, in parallel I'll tell you about the use of indicators, and I'll open several deals, I think. If you follow the news, you know that banks have gone bankrupt in USA. Because of this, there are big jumps in stocks and other securities in the stock market. Therefore, by trading binary option in a good volatile market and selecting trading positions, you can multiply your money. A very interesting video is waiting for you ahead. Put a like in advance and watch it soon. Okay, to begin with, we will select currency pair and I'll open deals for 5 minutes and in the amount of $100. And to open trend trade, we need to trend indicator set. The first one is one of my favorite, alligator indicator, and the second one is the CCI. So what are the advantages of these indicators? I choose this indicator because here we can clearly see the intersections. That's very important for me. If three moving average lines intersect with each other and indicate a trend, then this marks the beginning of the trend. Here you can see that an uptrend has begun. Here's a similar situation, only the trend is already descending, and the CTI indicator shows us the state of the price. So let's get started. The first deal and the first myth. I'll open a deal for a rise, and we see that before that there was a downward movement, then a pullback was formed, and ascending corridor was also observed. The price went down without reaching its maximum, so I expect a reversal. The alligator is in the same position, so just wait. But for now, the first myth. You can't bog down a lot from a laptop. Trading is often positioned as an activity that can be carried out from anywhere in the world. So you can travel a lot and devote 3 or 4 hours a day for trading and spend the rest of the day on pleasure and hobbies. A laptop and even a phone are quite enough for trading. You will download several charts and will be engaged with the withdraw money steadily. Buying additional equipment doesn't guarantee that there will be more profit than without it. And the second myth, trading is akin to gambling. That has nothing to do with it. This is not an area where you can just rush under the influence of emotion. The calmer and more patient you're with trading, and the higher the chances of getting a stable income. Trading on the stock exchange requires concentration and strict compliance with the rules. Numbers rule here. not emotions. And the third myth is that books is trading training. This is common misconceptions. Beginners read dozens of books by popular authors, hoping to find in them, if not a grail, then at least a working strategy. Books can and should be read, but they shouldn't be treated like more like entertainment content as in any other field. Theory is very different from practice, so trade more and study on your own only. And the fourth myth is trading is a business. It's more true than not. You can compare trading and business. In both cases, you need startup capital. Both business and trading give a high psychology load, and psychology is important, emotion control. But trading has a significant advantage. You are guaranteed not to be crushed by competitors, as it can happen, for example, in the store or a car service. The abundance of traders doesn't affect your profit. There is enough space for everyone in the financial markets. Okay, while I was telling you about the myths, our deal closed. As I said, there was a stage of ascent, and we received a very light $182. And we open another deal on this currency pair. I expect a continuation of the downtrend. We see that we have formed a points of underbought and overbought. There was an ascending corridor. The price was supposed to go up, but it didn't. And the price went down. We had to recover, but new corridor was formed and it's descending. That the price has recovered again and it's heading down again. We're waiting for the deal to close and continue destroy myths. Okay, and the fifth one is that you can learn how to trade on the stock exchange on the news. Also, it's called a fundamental analysis. Okay, the fundamental factor must be taken into account, but it's not become a basis of profitable trading strategy. Moreover, this applies intraday trading is investing with playing horizon of 5 or 10 years. In trading, news is important, but rather as one of the filters. Before the publication is a particularly important news, is assurance and stop transfer to the safe level. And the fundamental background is also taken into account in investing, but when choosing stocks, the focus is on the multipliers and reporting of the particular company. Okay, the sixth one is trading takes too much time. Many people feel that the trading takes too much time. In their opinion, if a person is going to earn a more or less substantial amount of money in the financial markets, he will have to quit his main job and fully devote him on this type of activity. But this is far from the case. In order to earn income of trading, you don't have to give up your main job. It may become an additional or two main occupation. And the seventh myth is that trading will require a lot of money. Another common myth about trading, that is trading is a financial market requires substantial initial capital. This is also not true. Of course, the more money you invest, the more profit can be, but you can start trading successfully with a minimum amount. My starting capital was only $100, and for me it was okay. Okay, the next myth is a financial markets are a fraud. This stress of trading was born during the boom of forex offices, which were not clean on hand. Due to ignorance, people lost their money of these platforms. In my opinion, the problem lies in the fact that many of them still don't understand how the exchange works and how trading takes place. People are afraid to come into contact with the trading due to the lack of financial literacy. Fortunately, today's youth is much more savvy than in this matter. And excellent, 2 great deals, 2 great examples, and 4 debunked myths. I want to withdraw money. The trade was just for example of using indicators, and I hope this video was giving you motivation to start and continue trading. This video was quite hard for me because at first it was very hard to remain some myths that I believed before, or my parents or my relatives and friends believed. And in the second, because I wanted to make everything cute. So if you like this video, just rate it. If you have some questions, leave them in comments. And if you want to learn more about trading and binary options, subscribe to my Telegram channel and to my YouTube channel. All links in the description. And thank you all for watching. Bye.